Hello. Today we are going to discuss about my final year project titled An Agentic AI Framework for Adaptive Network Anomaly Detection. Before starting, I would have a brief introduction about this project. Today, the networks that we are being communicated between the applications are being static and have many security vulnerabilities. And identifying those patterns will have been a very tedious work because any new occurring pattern can occur, and the traditional ML models may fail on capturing the new network vulnerabilities that are being detected. That is the reason why these are the issues. Like, even if new patterns can come in, there can be very false positive rates that can reduce the system alerts, or even the network connection between application fails, and then the performance degrades over time, and which is not reliable for entire industry. So this is uh, the problem statement is that the networks, even if we monitor over time, we can't ensure in a very reliable way that the traffic patterns and the behavior that gets changed frequently and abnormal activities can happen. So that's why we will be analyzing the network requests that is being made to each application via an agentic frameworks, such that the agent can analyze all those packets meantime and then give us a report uh, to the user. This is the architecture diagram where we will be using the LLM models to detect the whether the attack has been detected in our system. That we are using the T-Shock application to capture the files of when a communication happens from one system to the another, and it just gets processed over time, and it has the knowledge over past incidents, and then we can able to say it as whether it's a true positive attack or a false positive attack. Let me show a very brief demo of my project. Here we can see there are four agents. One is the security analysis that gets the data every 5 seconds of a system, and parameter fine tuning. When the agent detects any attack has been in a system, then it will fine tune for the next few seconds and then vigorously checks for the whether the attack has been happened or not. And the chat agents, where the report gets been with the data that has been analyzed, the data gets analyzed. Here are some examples where we capture the uh, network metrics in real time. This is the dashboard where user will be able to see the network connectivity over another systems. The data gets displayed over here in real time, and also we can see how many bytes are there in a very chart view, and distribution of systems on how much percentage of amount we are receiving or not. Report gets being attacked here and just confirms whether the attack has been happened or not. This is how the situation happens. This is a simulation where we are generating patterns about package, how an actual DDoS attack would have happened. Here we can see, and the attack is being confirmed, and the distribution report gets displayed over the dashboard whenever an attack gets detected. This is where we can have a simulation of an attack and how an attack would look like. This is using the NS3 framework. The simulation runs. We can set the number of nodes that has been attacked, or how the communication happens over time. We can see the packets gets transferred, not just for data attacks, we can have for the port scan attack too, and then decide how much we will be able to do it. How the data packets is transferred over here. and in real time which node gets communication with any other node. This is about the architecture of my system. Thank you.